welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a skull glam look. For that, I'm going to be starting off with my brows. I will be first grooming them and then filling it with my Loreal Paris Brow Artist Genius Kit. I'm going to be going in with a more darker defined brows as it'll enhance my Halloween look. I'm then going to be going in with my eye base, and priming the eyes is always essential for your makeup to last longer. I will then be going in with a beautiful beige shade, which is also a little darker skin tone, and I will be going all over my lid with it. After ensuring it's entirely blended, I will be going in with a deeper brown and going all over my crease and giving it the depth into my eyes. This way it'll enhance my eyes and also define them very well. Always remember to blend your eyeshadows because we don't want them to look patchy. Then I will be going in with a black and just setting it on my lid. So first I am going to be using this brush and just patting the color on, and then taking my fluffy blending brush and just blending the black into the brown. Then I will be going in with a sparkly silver shimmer shade and just giving it that sparkle to my eyes, adding to the glam effect of this look. I will also be adding a little pearly white color to the teardrop area. After you ensure all of it is blended, I will then be going in with my eyeliner and giving it a winged liner. Next, I'm going to be starting off with my face. For that, I'm going to first go in with my orange color corrector right under my eyes to cover the dark circles. I will first be doing it with my finger, and then I like to blend it with the brush. Then you have to ensure to prime your face. I will be going in with my face primer, and priming is always essential for your makeup to look flawless. So please do use a primer before you do your makeup. Then I will be going in with my PAC HD foundation, and I like to just put dots all over it on my face and then spread it out with a brush. So I'm just going to be blending it in and ensuring that it's all in place. Over this, I like to use my beauty blender and then my blending brush. So once I ensure my foundation is thoroughly blended, I am going to be going for a cream contour because I want this look to look very, very dramatic. So I'm going to be going for a darker contour look. I'm going to be placing the contour on my cheekbones and also on my jawline. I will also be going in with concealer on the bridge of my nose, under my eyes, on my chin, and also on my forehead. I will then be blending it all out. Then I will set my makeup after it's all blended in. I'm going to be using the Ferrarucci translucent setting powder and just setting the makeup all in place. I will then be going in with powder contour over the cream contour to ensure that is well set. For the nose, I'm going to go in with a deeper brown for my contour to give it that skull effect. Now this contour, I'm going to be extending all the way to my mouth. I will then be going in with kajal and just giving it a little sketch on my face of the lower half of a skeleton. I will then be going in with black eyeshadow and just giving it the proper definition. Next, I will be going in with brown to give it a good shadowy effect. Post which, I will be going in with a nude coral lipstick, and this helps me to stick on the glitter really well as shown. I will then be extending it all over to the sides of my cheek, rather the lower half of my face. And then I will be going in with an eyeliner to give it a good definition of the lower half of the skull. I will also be defining my lips using eyeliner. Next, I will be cutting it through and then drawing these lines as shown, and then drawing straight lines as per the joints, and this will give it that mouth effect of a skull. I will also be adding a little more definition and this design on my nose, which gives it a very dramatic look and adds on to the Halloween look that I'm going for, the skull look. I will then be adding a little blush on top so it looks a little more rouged, and then I will be going in with my setting spray. Post which I have also darkened my eyebrows using a kajal and then going in with highlighter. So as you can see, this is my take on the Halloween look for 2020. This is the complete look. I hope you have liked watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel, do like, share, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.